Density tells us how much mass is packed into a certain volume. In this investigation, we want to find the density of both regular and irregular objects. Regular objects are shapes like cubes, cuboids, or cylinders where it is easy to measure length, width, and height to calculate volume. Irregular objects do not have simple shapes, so we find their volume using water displacement. First, we measure the mass of an object using a balance and write it down. Then for regular objects, we measure all of the dimensions using a ruler and use the correct volume formula. If we have a cube or cuboid, we multiply length by width by height. If we have a cylinder, we use pi times radius squared times height. After we have volume, we calculate density using density equals mass divided by volume. For irregular objects, we fill a measuring cylinder with water and record the starting volume. Then we gently lower the object into water and record the new volume. The difference between the two readings tells us the volume of the object because the object pushes water out of the way. After we have the volume, we divide the mass by the volume to find the density. We write all of our results in a table and compare them. Some materials have high density, which means they feel heavy for their size because a lot of mass is packed into a small space. Other materials have low density, which means they feel light for their size because the particles are more spread out. Liquids also have different densities, and this is why some liquids float on top of others. Understanding density helps scientists and engineers choose the right material for different jobs. For example, boats float because the average density of the boat and the air inside it is less than the density of water. By measuring mass and volume carefully, we can work out the density of any solid or liquid.